You can build a digital product business that pays you $3,000, $5,000, even $8,000 a month or more using almost entirely free tools. Canva, Claude, ChatGPT, Instagram, no paid ads, no expensive software, and no full-time hours. And here's the lie that keeps most people from ever getting started. They think you need some big budget, a huge tech team, months locked away building the perfect product before you can ever earn a single dollar from this. None of that is true anymore. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'd use Canva and AI to create, market, and sell digital products online if I were starting from zero today. And make sure to stick around until the end because the final step is what separates the people who actually build real businesses from the people who quit 3 weeks in and then call this another failed side hustle. If we haven't met, my name is Richard and I started my first online business in my early 20s with zero audience, no money, and no idea what the heck I was doing. Today, I run several companies in the online education and software space that have collectively done over 32 million in the last 4 years. And I've helped over 7,000 students build thriving digital product businesses from complete scratch. Some of them quit their 9-to-5 jobs within a single year. Some of them built it on the side in an hour, 2 hours a day. Some of them have made multiple 5 figures, even 6 figures with this model. Now listen, I'm not teaching this with confidence because I have some clever opinion about it. I'm teaching it because I've watched the same pattern repeat itself over and over. So here's the part that most people get backwards. They think that the hard part is building the product. It's actually not. The hard part is building the system that puts that product in front of the right buyers. The product is the easy part now. The system is what almost everyone gets wrong. Let me show you what I mean. Not that long ago, building a digital product was genuinely difficult. You had to write every single word yourself. You had to hire a designer. You had to pay a copywriter. You had to buy expensive software to host the product, figure out delivery, payments, customer support. It would take 6 months and several $1,000s before you ever made a single sale. I know because I lived this. The very first digital product that I built took a few months of typing into Google Docs, buying cameras, recording content, and stitching the whole thing together. And AI did not exist at all back then. That world doesn't exist anymore. Today, you can use Claude or ChatGPT, same thing, to brainstorm product ideas, validate your niche, write your sales copy, and draft your social posts and outline the entire product in less than an afternoon. And you can use Canva to design the actual product itself. A simple PDF guide, an ebook, a workbook, a template pack, anything someone could just download and use to solve a real problem. The barrier to entry has completely collapsed. And if you're starting today, you're starting in the easiest era in history to build this type of business. And that's exactly why I think it's one of the smartest opportunities for anyone who wants real income without trading their life for it. So let me walk you through what the actual system is. There are only 4 parts, not 10, not 15, just 4. It's traffic, content, conversations, and closing. I call this the 4-part system, and it's the framework that I've used to teach thousands of ordinary people on how to build this from nothing. We're going to walk through each part and we're going to show you exactly where Canva and AI fit in. Traffic just means you have the eyeballs to find you. If nobody sees what you're doing, then none of the rest matters. You need attention before you need anything else. And if I were starting from zero, I would pick Instagram. And listen, I know I'm saying that on YouTube, but Instagram Reels right now is hands down the fastest path for traction for a complete beginner. You can record one on your phone in 5 minutes or less. There's no thumbnail strategy. There's no 10-minute script. The algorithm is rewarding new accounts that have 0 followers like crazy right now, more than almost any other platform. But here's the part that most people miss. The point of Instagram is not to get views. The point of Instagram is to get conversations going, which brings me to part number 2, content. Content is what gets attention and builds the KLT, the know you, like you, and trust you factor with the people who eventually buy from you. And this is where Canva and AI completely changed the game. So here's exactly what I do. I'd open Claude or ChatGPT and I'd ask it to give me 20 Instagram Reel ideas for my specific niche. Whatever I'm selling, whoever I'm selling to. I'd ask the AI to write the hooks, outline the talking points, and draft the captions. And then I'd film those reels on my phone. And if you don't want to be on camera, don't worry. You can use Canva to design simple text-based carousels. That way, you can do it totally faceless. The kind where you read short, punchy idea on a screen with music behind it. And by the way, those carousels are some of the highest performing, most viral content on Instagram right now. And they take 7 minutes, if that, to make on Canva from start to finish. Now, here's the most important part. Your content has one job: to start conversations with the right people, not to go viral, not to chase a million views, simply to get the right person to send you a message. That's it. And that's how we move into part 3, which is what I call conversations. You see, in the old version of this business, conversations happen over email. You built an email list, you wrote a really long welcome sequence, and you tried to sell people inside of their inbox. Now, let me be clear, email still works, but it's no longer the fastest path. The fastest path is to do the DMs, or known as direct messages. Here's why DMs beat email for someone starting out today. Email open rates sit somewhere between 15 to 30% on a good day. DM open rates over 90%. When someone sends you a message on Instagram, you are inside the most personal real estate platform that they have on their phone. The same place that their family lives, their closest friends, their group chats, and that's where trust gets built now. Here's how the mechanic actually works. You post a reel, and at the end of the reel, you tell people the following line. If you want XYZ free guide, go ahead and comment the keyword down below and use a short keyword. When they comment that keyword, they automatically get sent a message in their DMs with an automation that we preset with the resource that you promised. And now you're in a one-on-one conversation with someone who literally raised their hand saying, hey, I'm interested in this topic. Let me give you a real example. Recently, I posted one reel on Instagram using this exact mechanic. People would comment a single keyword to get the resource that I was offering. And that one reel pulled in over 1,200 comments, which meant over 1,200 individuals were interested in having a one-on-one conversation with me and wanted to learn what I had to teach. These are not silent views. These are not passive likes. These are 1,200 conversations for one piece of content. And if you can do that even just one time, you have something that most businesses will pay thousands of dollars in ads in order to get access to. And you did it with a warm list of people that you can directly talk to with no ad spend. By the way, if this is useful so far, I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, it helps the channel, and helps me be able to keep breaking down this type of content in future videos. Cool. So part 4, this is what I call closing. Closing is the part in the conversation where a DM turns into an actual sale. And this is the part where most beginners freeze up because they think closing means being pushy or salesy. It actually doesn't. The way I teach closing is simple. When someone DMs you, your job is not to immediately try to sell them something. Your job is to have a real conversation. You ask them, what are they working on? You ask what's getting in the way. You give them a piece of advice for completely free. And then when it makes sense, you offer your product as the next logical step. That's it. That's the entire close. Write that down. Ask, listen, help, and offer. That's the entire thing. And if you can do those 4 steps well in a real, genuine human way, you can close more sales than 90% of people who are out there trying to use scripts and high-pressure sales tactics. People do not want to be sold to. They want to be helped. And remember why you're doing this in the first place, to make an income and an impact. You can serve them well, the sale takes care of itself. Now, when it comes to the actual product itself, this is where Canva does the heavy lifting. The best digital products for beginners are not massive courses with 40 hours of the video module content. They are simple, they are small, and they're specific. A 10-page PDF guide that solves one specific problem is more than enough. A template pack, a workbook, a swipe file, a mini course that's 17 minutes long with a few slides and a short video. Things that take a few hours to design on Canva that someone can download instantly and solves a real problem for a real person. And the reason these beat the big, bulky courses for beginners is simple. They're faster to make, they're easier to explain, and they're significantly easier to sell. And they're honestly easier for a customer to actually use and consume. A 10-page guide that gets read and applied is worth way more to a customer than a 40-hour-long video course that sits unwatched in their email inbox. Now, I want to address something that comes up a lot because some of you are thinking right now, Richard, but I don't even know what product to make. I don't have an idea. I'm not an expert at anything. What am I supposed to sell? This is one of the biggest blockers that I see. And there's actually a way around it that almost no one talks about. You do not have to create your own product to start. There's a whole category of digital products that you can promote on behalf of other businesses where the product is already built, the sales page is already written, and the testimonials already exist, and you can keep a massive lion's share of the profits on every sale that you make. This is what I call AI product arbitrage. You take a digital product that already exists and you put it in front of a right audience using the exact system that I just walked you through, and you collect a handsome commission check on every single sale. It's the same mechanic that you've already seen 1,000 times. A creator on YouTube reviews a laptop and then puts it in the link in the description and tells you, hey, every single time you click on the link, they'll take a small 3-4% cut. Well, that's not very interesting because 4% on a $1,000 laptop is only $40. But rather than doing that with a laptop, what if you could do that with a digital product that was not only high ticket, but paid you a 50 or even 80% commission on that digital product? Because remember, digital products have basically no cost to produce. The margin's way better. And so the business owner is going to pass that margin back to you, the person that's doing the promotion. If creating your own product feels a little bit too big of a leap right now, that's totally fine. This is the lower friction path. You can learn the marketing skill, you can make real money. You can see how the whole system works. And then you can decide if one day down the line, you want to build something of your own. And you'll already understand all the marketing and sales fundamentals of how to sell it. So let's bring all this together. Here's the real tech stack if you want to start literally today. Claude or ChatGPT to the brainstorming, the writing, and the planning. The free plans work, Canva, the design, and the product itself. Free tier is great. Instagram for the traffic, it's completely free, there's no ads, and a simple tool to host your product and collect payments. There's a whole bunch out there, most of them are free or nearly free until you start making real money, and the whole setup costs almost nothing. Even when you upgrade to paid, you're looking at maybe $100 a month to run what genuinely could become a meaningful income stream. And the margins on this business are some of the highest margins I've ever seen because your costs barely scales as your revenue grows. Now, here's a part I really want you to internalize here, because this is where most people fail. And this is the last step I told you about at the very beginning. You can have the best product in the world, the best Canva designs, the cleanest AI generated contents, the smartest DM scripts, and it will still not work unless you do this one thing that almost nobody else does. You have to show up consistently long enough for the system to compound. The people who win at this are not the people with the best graphics or the biggest audience or the perfect product. They are the people who post content this week. And not just this week, they do it again next week and again the week after that. Until the system starts to feed itself. The DMs start coming and the conversations turn into real sales. And sales turn into testimonials. And the testimonials make the next round of content work even better because the system builds on its own. But only if you stay in the game. Most people quit early. They post 2 reels, nothing goes viral, and they tell themselves it doesn't work. The truth is, they never gave the system long enough to compound. They were 1 month away from their first real win and they walked away from it. The students that I've seen absolutely crush with this. They don't have any special advantage. They aren't smarter. They're not hardworking. They're not more creative. They aren't better looking on camera. They just stayed in the game long enough for the math to work in their favor. That's the skill. Not picking the perfect niche, not designing the perfect PDF. The skill is showing up after the first week feels like nothing happened and the second week feels like nothing happened and posting anyway. That's it. Traffic, content, conversations, and closing. Ask, listen, help, and offer. Show up, let it compound. If you want me to walk you through the full system in way more detail, I put together a step-by-step masterclass here on YouTube that documents the exact process of how to go from 0 all the way to 100,000 a month. The exact niches that are working right now, the exact content frameworks, the DM scripts, the full closing process. I'll leave it on the screen right here. It's also the first link in the description, completely free for you. So go ahead and tap right here, watch that video as soon as you're done here. If you got value out of this one, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so the next one lands on your feed. So tap right here and I'll see you in the next video.